Apollo 11 Focus question. What have people learned from landing on the moon? Moon dreams. Have you dreamed of flying? Many people have this dream. People made airplanes to fly. Then they dreamed of going all the way to the moon. So they made spaceships. The Apollo 11 spaceship took 3 people to the moon. Blast off. The Apollo 11 spaceship was big. It had very powerful engines, but the place where the people sat was small. The 3 astronauts had to sit close together during the trip. Did you know? The Apollo 11 spaceship was 111 meters, 364 feet tall. That's a little taller than the Statue of Liberty. Men on the moon. It took 3 days to get to the moon. Then it was time to land. 2 astronauts got into a small lander named Eagle. This ship was made to land on the moon. The other astronauts stayed on the back spaceship. It would take them all back to Earth. On July 20, 1969, people around the world were watching TV. They saw the first person step onto the moon. He said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." People around the world clapped. They jumped up and down. The dream had come true. Exploring the moon. The moon is different from Earth. There is not enough air for people to breathe. It gets very hot and very cold, so the astronauts wear special suits. The suits help them breathe and stay warm. The moon also has less gravity than Earth. On Earth, gravity keeps us on the ground. On the moon, the astronauts did not weigh very much. They had to learn to work. They skipped or hopped like bunnies. Working on the moon, the astronauts only stayed on the moon for 2.5 hours. It was hard work. They picked up rocks and soil to bring back to Earth. They took pictures. They measured things. People on Earth wanted to learn more about the moon. Did you know? The moon is hard. It does not have a lot of soil. Astronauts had trouble putting up the American flag. Going home, the 2 astronauts left the moon on the Eagle. Then they went back to the bigger spaceship. Then all 3 men flew back to Earth. Splash! They landed in the ocean. People on boats picked them up. The astronauts were home. People have gone to the moon. We might go even farther someday. Be an engineer. Imagine you are visiting a moon that orbits a different planet. Use paper to describe what it is like. Is it hot or cold? Do you float? Is there air to breathe? Is there water? Does anything live here? Now design a spaceship that you could use on your visit. How does each part of your suit help you stay safe and do your job attached moon. Use writing pictures of a clay model. Beyond the book. Watch a video on the internet of the first moon landing. Bye bye.